How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel. In this video, we are going to be talking about a penny stock to watch for this upcoming week. We're going to be talking about in detail about this penny stock. So we're going to be looking at the technicals, the fundamentals, and what to watch for this upcoming week. We're also going to go over the overall stock market and some important companies announcing earnings for this upcoming week. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to cover all this important information in this video coming up. So the company that we're going to be talking about is going to be Nibiru Incorporated. It's going to be ticker symbol BURU. As you can see over here, the stock is up 3.49% to the upside. And as you can see over here, we're going to be looking at the company fundamentals and what exactly do they do in the meantime. So as you can see over here, when you look at their website, the main purpose of this company is that Nibiru is a leader in high-power blue laser technology founded in 2015, and the lasers are transforming manufacturing by making it faster and higher quality. But there's where it goes very, very exciting is that they're now expanding into defense and security applications. So that is pretty good. And under their new leadership team, they're rolling out a strategic growth and diversification plan. So let's talk about some 4 catalysts to keep up with this company that could definitely help it grow in the future. So the first one is going to be that they're going to be focused on defense. So they're tailored solution for defense and securities. They're involved in different technologies and industries, as you can see. And the second thing is acquisitions of a defense and security hub. And they're projected to add over $50 million in revenue for 2025. And on the third important catalyst to watch out for this company is the financial maneuvers. So they have eliminated long-term debt, giving them more flexibility to expand. Usually, these small growing companies, they take on a lot of debt to continue to produce and expand. But right now, this company has eliminated long-term debt, and they have more flexibility, to grow without incurring a lot of burdens. So that is fantastic. And the fourth, and most importantly, is going to be their growth strategy. So they're expanding beyond lasers into broader tech and resilient solutions. So that is a pretty important thing to watch out for this company. So in the meantime, when you're looking at it and seeing the fundamentals, some exciting things that they're working on, and just in conclusion to look at why we need to be watching for this company, is that they have a revitalized management team. They have fresh financial strength, which basically eliminated the majority of their debt, and multiple upcoming catalysts. So this company is wanted to watch very, very closely. And when you also look at the technicals of this company and some of the important metrics that we need to be watching out for, we have a share outstanding is 70.29 million based on Finbiz's website. And as you can see, insider ownership is 0.9%. Institutional ownership is going to be 1%. So that is a really important key to note. And the market cap, as you can see, is sitting at 14.7 million. And one of the other important things to watch out for is that there are some occasions where the stock can have a significant move like this over here to the upside, depending upon the news catalyst and some of the things that they announce. But right now over here, we are currently trading at a support area that is around 14 cents. So this is the area that we've seen a lot of consolidations. And sometimes when there is an important news that comes up, the stock can spike up to the upside. And right now we are close to the support area. So it's kind of like a very good entry price point if you want to risk off of the support area for a potential spike up to come in the next few days or in the next few weeks for important updates for the potential upside of this company. So there are occasions where this stock could pop up to the upside significantly, depending upon what kind of press release that they get. As you can see on this day, December 11, 2024, we have the stock spiking up 101.69%. And also over here on October 7, 2024, the stock, spiked up 125%. So this is definitely a company, if there is a very good news catalyst, we might see some big moves, above 50%, close to 100% spikes that could potentially happen in spite of some of the important catalysts and some of the important news that this company releases. So definitely keep it on your watch list for this upcoming week and the next upcoming weeks. So now let's talk about some of the important companies and some of the important economic data we need to be watching out for this upcoming week. So as you can see, the major economic data that we need to be watching out for this upcoming week is going to be for Monday at 10 a.m. We have the Home Builder Confidence Index. That's going to be an important one to watch. Tuesday, we have housing starter building permits. On Wednesday, we have minutes of the Federal Reserve July FOMC meeting. And on Thursday, we have initial jobless claims data. And we have the Fed manufacturing surveys. And we have the S&P Flash US Manufacturing PMI. This is also important data. And the U.S. leading economic indicator also is going to be scheduled to come out on Thursday. So be on the lookout for that. And other important companies announcing earnings is going to be on Monday after the market close. We have Blink. This is a charging company that used to be very, very popular. So if you're interested in that is an important company to watch. On Tuesday, we have some retail stocks like Home Depot, and this is Opera, the browsing company. And also after hours, we have these listed companies announcing earnings. On Wednesday, another big retailer is going to be Target and TJ Maxx. And also on the after hours, we have BBVA. Now, these retailers are going to be really important to see what they're going to come out and say in spite of some of inflation and tariffs and things like that, how their revenue could potentially be affected, because there has been some recent updates about the tariffs that is being imposed. So if they can come out and say if they lowered their guidance or if their profits got affected by this tariff news, this is going to be an important thing to watch for the overall stock market. So definitely need to hear what they have to say. On Thursday, we have them before the market open. We have also Walmart, one of the biggest retailers. We'll see what they say about tariffs. That is important to watch. And after the close, we have also Zoom and Ross. So, and on Friday we have BJ's. So before the market opens, so definitely be on the lookout for that, because these companies, especially the big retailers, is going to be the important things to hear what they have to say about tariffs and how that's going to impact their revenue moving forward. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.